they do not use them to take to the skies, like the rest of their cousins. Penguins have taken their wings to a whole other level, using their flipper-like appendages to soar underwater. With such diversity across all birds, the extremes are incredible. The ostrich takes out the title for the largest and heaviest bird in the world, 2.7 meters tall and weighing up to 150 kilos, sometimes more. At the other end of the scale is the bee hummingbird, weighing less than a sugar cube. The males are smaller than females, only measuring 57 millimeters, with their bill and tail making up half of that. The wandering albatross takes the title for the broadest wingspan, stretching up to 3.5 meters. For speed,